Phantom Unit, listen up. NATO has detected suspicious activity inside a derelict Cold War naval facility on the coast of the Black Sea. Voldat Base, formerly a production hub for chemical weapons, until NATO intervened.
My unit hit the base in '66. Leveled the operation with an airstrike and killed their leader, a rogue Soviet general by the name of Nikolai Zhurov.
NATO believes that a new threat may be following in Zhurov's footsteps. We've been tracking a number of high-value targets, killers, seditionists, and war criminals, and they are congregating, forming some sort of militia centralized in this base. We do not know what they're planning, but Moscow is in fear of a second revolution. Someone is building an army, and that is where the Phantoms come in.
02, I'll be leading a helo insertion on the outer perimeter of the base. From there, we need you to bypass their defenses. The site was heavily flooded after the airstrike, so you should have no shortage of entry points. Once you're in, evaluate the threat.
Russian forces already sent in a man to investigate, and they have not heard from him since. This is a single-agent recon operation. Keep it quiet. Minimize casualties. They cannot know we were there. Once you have the intel for us, proceed to extraction. Then NATO will determine an intervention plan. Extraction occurs tomorrow at 0400 hours.
Understood, Major. 02, I'll be commanding the operation. No one knows this place better than me. You're in good hands. Now let's move out! There. Phantom 02, stand by to deploy. Command Axel, do you copy? Sawyer, you getting this?
Confirmed. 02's helmet camera is live. You're cleared to proceed, Colonel.
Okay, gear check. Pistol in your chest holster. Sniper rifle in your side bag. Submachine gun in your back in case things go sideways. Supply satchels in front of you, have your reloads. Make every round count.
Command actual to all Phantom call signs. We have you in position. Operation is a go.
Copy that, Command. Going dark. 02, you are cleared to deploy. Remember, this is a stealth mission. Get in, assess their operation, then get out. And watch yourself, you hear me? We don't know what's waiting for you out there.
I'll be your conduit for intelligence data while you're in the field. It's good to be working with you. Our assets in country have reported suspicious activity in this area. Your mission is to investigate and evaluate any potential threats. We've tried to intercept local communications, but it looks like someone's using frequency scramblers. Priority 1 is to neutralize those sources of interference and get us signals access. viewfinder. Look for another panel to destroy. When nearby enemies are suspicious.
The electrics around here are worthless. Out of maintenance, keep ignoring this. This checkpoint is falling apart. Without us here, anyone could just sail right in.
Catch-22, brother. As long as we're here, nothing needs to get fixed.
Hold your fire. They haven't seen you.
Call it in. See if they listen this time.
Wait. Do not engage unless absolutely necessary.
Hide inside the reeds. Your threat scanner will inform you when you're hidden. Don't move. The reeds are excellent camouflage.
Reporting in. No sighting yet. Over.
Reporting in. Area is clear. Over.
Proceed with care, 02. Survey the area ahead with your viewfinder. Mark any threats and plan your route accordingly. Understood?
Your primary weapon is stealth, 02. Lethal force should be used only as a last resort.
Moving to position 2, over.
Pedal slowly when hostiles are nearby. You don't want to get hurt.
Control. I heard the disturbance on the water. Moving to investigate. Over. Control. Maintaining sweep for cause of the disturbance. Over. Control. I am sweeping the area. Over. Control. Maintaining sweep for cause of the disturbance. Over.
Scout with your viewfinder, 02. Look for any objects that could create a distraction.
Position 3 reporting. No sightings.
waste ammunition.
Focus on stealth. Avoid conflict wherever possible.
Status report. Sector is under control. Over.
All units, perform weapons checks and report any maintenance issues immediately.
Attack helicopter, a tank killer. That means serious funding. This militia is much better equipped than we anticipated.
I don't want to stay in here any longer than we have to.
What are you so scared of? It's just a bunch of crates and scrap metal.
Don't you know anything? It's toxic, you idiot. You get that stuff on you and your fingers rot off.
Ah, you worry like an old woman. There's good salvage in here, worth real money. You'll see.
Control, we have another gear failure. Investigating now. Over.
I see something. Find a way to neutralize that tower. You may be able to manually cut the power from underneath. Either that, or take out the surrounding monitoring stations. Good. Now remove all of the power couplings.
Now get to the other target and disable it.
You should be showing a new objective marker on your tracking device.
Enemy target!
Intel intercepts are good. Stand by. We may have something. There's a lot of radio chatter about something called Project Titan. It's difficult to isolate what they're saying, though.
Titan? Impossible. We bombed that operation to hell 25 years ago. 02, deactivate the other scrambler. Then we can get to the bottom of this.
There's a supply cache nearby. Take a look. That's a noisemaker device. Throw it, and wherever it lands, it'll cause a distraction. That's a high-value target. A mark on NATO's most wanted list. They're not your primary objective, but neutralize them if you can. High-value target is down. Good work, 02. Keep an eye out for other targets, 02.
Control, we may have a problem here. Investigating now. Over.
You hear something? A string of numbers. I've extracted a recording from that station. It's in your audio logs. It's locked tight. You'd need a tool to cut it off. the data on that gunship. I'm trying to isolate where it came from. It's completely off the books. Black market. One doesn't tend to buy a tank killer unless one plans on using it. Be careful,
You keep
02.
telling me about them over and over.
I'm just proud of them.
Then be proud about it quietly. I hate my family. Crooks and swine, all of them.
Colonel, if this really is the Titan project, then we're talking about one of the most lethal chemical weapons known to man.
It can't be. I saw the bombs fall with my own eyes.
But they never did find the General's body.
I called a goddamn airstrike on that son of a bitch. There wouldn't have been anything left to find.
There's another uniformed officer. Scan them with your viewfinder. Catalog is down. Repeat, catalog is down. Good work, 02. That radio dish should cease to function if you destroy the monitoring stations. Or you could get beneath it and remove the operating core.
Proceed at your discretion, 02. Scout and move in.
It's locked tight. You'd need a tool to cut it off. Both levers to release the hatch. Excellent. Now manually remove the core. You did it! We're breaching their comms network now. Okay, we have intercept. Technical will filter out the white noise. I'll feed you the critical data.
You isolate communications about Project Titan.
Copy that, sir. 02, I've marked the probable location on your objective tracker. Radio chatter suggests Titan is at the center of the dockyard, so that's your target.
Gear breaks down all the time here.
Dockyard. You can use it as cover to make your entry.
these sons of bitches are up to.